Alright, I got a new problem with the truck. You know, lots of little things showing up. Over the past few days when I've been driving it, it's developed this tick, which it shouldn't have because the motor's been rebuilt just like 3,000 miles ago. And it sounds like a lifter tick. It's a mechanical system inside of the motor, so you have to tear apart the whole motor just to get these things, and it costs money to fix them. And lifter tick means it's in bad shape, and yada yada yada. You know, it's not a good thing to have a lifter tick. But I found out, so I was researching online, that sometimes an exhaust leak can sound like a lifter tick. And I kid you not, I found an exhaust leak underneath. This is exhaust manifold underneath it. But let me start it up and let you listen. It sounds very mechanical. It sounds like a lifter. Can you hear that tick? I hope you can. It's like a tick, 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 tick. It's an exhaust leak. I kid you not. It's right under. It's right under that manifold. I can feel it go puff, puff, puff. So yeah, makes me happy. Oh, and I had to replace the starter motor too. Oh, quick look. Look at the teeth on that, all ground down and such. No wonder it's having a hard time starting. I almost had to push start it last night. But yeah, little things. Oh, and the carburetor needs a heavier throttle return spring. But yeah, lots of little things. So I'm busy tinkering.